Hey bargain babes, it's Juliaelise and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hey, what's up? My name is Juliaelise and I make videos here on the internet about shopping on a budget, getting the look for less, and all of that type of fun stuff. So if that sounds interesting to you, I'd love it if you stuck around by clicking that big red button and subscribing. It's down below. Today I am going back to my roots and doing a Walmart haul, and I'm telling you, Walmart is the most underrated place to shop, and I will preach that till the cows come home. I actually downloaded the Walmart app the other day, and that was a huge mistake because it is just such a better shopping experience than going on the internet and just like trying to sort through everything. The app was just a very good e-commerce experience, so definitely recommend downloading the app if you want to explore kind of what's out there at Walmart. But I have some fun pieces to show you guys, giving you my honest opinion on what I got. I do have a few things that I am returning, and I'll definitely give you some details on why, but without further ado, let's get on into the video. So the first item I want to talk to you about is this Time and True sweater vest long sleeve like dress shirt combo. So I've been seeing the sweater vest trend literally all over online. I really liked that this one kind of came like pre-styled, and honestly it is really good quality. I was surprised that it came feeling so nice. I will say it does kind of need like a good steam, but that's expected. And yeah, so I'm hoping that it will look cute with leggings, but if it's not quite long enough, then maybe like a tighter pair of pants. Literally, it's already styled for you, so you're getting 2 in 1. So really like that top. So next was a piece that I kind of took the risk and got, and I'm actually really glad that I did. So I finally caved and bought a pair of dad jeans. So I've finally adapted the mom jeans. Like, I understand that skinny jeans are not cool anymore, so I'm like, okay, I can do the mom jeans, but the dad jeans I've just been terrified of. But I saw this pair on Walmart for $17, and I was like, instead of splurging and buying $100 Abercrombie jeans, I'll go ahead and try the Walmart. Oh my gosh, these are actually so nice. Now, they are a little bit of an adjustment to the eye when you're used to looking at skinny jeans and now mom jeans. So this is a little bit of an adjustment, but I think that if you wear it with the right thing, it can really work. So I'm really excited about these pants. They're super high rise, and they have just a little bit of distressing at the knee, which I like. But yeah, I'm really into these pants, and I'm actually thinking about grabbing them in black as well, because I think black could be really cute, like an all black look, like a bodysuit tucked into them. I don't know. I can't wait to make these work because I'm determined to make them work. But I got these in a size 7, and they fit me perfectly. And for reference, I wear a size like 4 to 6 in women's, and No Boundaries is a junior brand, so do what you will with that math. But I grabbed these in a size 7 and they fit pretty good. I probably could have done a 5 because they're so loose fitting, but they're really comfortable in the 7, and I'm going to go ahead and keep these. So great find. Definitely get your hand on these if you've been wanting to try an affordable pair of dad jeans. Go get you some. So also in the brand No Boundaries, I got this tight fitting collared like lightweight sweater with these puff sleeves, and I thought this looked very adorable online. And I will say, like, when I got it, I was really impressed with the quality. It feels and reminds me of a sweater I actually rented off of Nuuly, which is a clothing rental that I was doing for a couple months, and the quality feels literally the same, and that was like a $100 sweater. But I loved the colors on it. I loved the collar. I loved the sleeve detail. Unfortunately, it does not work for me. Maybe I'll try it in a size down, but even so, the puffs are like super intense, and I feel like kind of look like a linebacker in it, so not my favorite. But for reference, I got this in a size medium. Definitely could have done a small, but even so, I don't really like it, so this is going back, but it's okay. You win some and you lose some. Okay, so next I finally got my hands on a pair of one of the Circus by Sam Edelman shoes that Walmart carries, and honestly it did not disappoint. I've always been a fan of Sam Edelman, but not a fan of the price. So when I saw these on the website, I had to pick them up. I should have read the description because I thought they were more of a tan color, but now looking at the box, they're clearly terracotta. But I think it's kind of fun for something different, and they actually match something else perfectly that I got in this video, so it worked out. But they came in, I think, 2 other colors, maybe just black, but I kind of want the black ones too because I think these are just so nice. The heel is just gorgeous and I'm super pumped to wear these. I got these in a size 8 and I usually wear in between a size 7.5 and 8. I really love these and I think that they're gonna be really adorable in like many seasons. I accidentally matched this skirt with those boots. I was not even thinking about that, but I think that's gonna be such a cute like monochrome look. So I grabbed this skirt from the line Free Assembly, which I've heard really great things, but I've never actually tried it. So I got this like corduroy skirt and this is so nice feeling. So I thought this would be perfect for work because it's like more of an appropriate length with tights. I think it's really cute. It has a really adorable front pocket and then like a mirroring one on the back. So I would say probably size down in this, like if you typically wear a size small to get an extra small, because I honestly probably could even have done that. But yeah, it's super stretchy, which is amazing because corduroy is not something that you would typically think is stretchy. So I'm really excited about this. I love it. I'm going to wear it with these boots for like a monochrome look with like a bodysuit. I'm so hyped about this skirt. Also in the brand Free Assembly, I picked up this grandpa cardigan, and I really like cardigans, but this does absolutely nothing for me. I will say the material's extremely high quality and nice. It's pretty cozy and soft. I've contemplated just keeping it because it's cozy, but I probably would grab towards like a sweatshirt before this anyway, so this will be going back. But again, this is by the brand Free Assembly. It runs so large. This is a medium and it fits more like an extra large, and I know that's the style, but it's just not flattering on me, so I have to give it back. But I've been really into gray lately, so I wanted to try to get a gray sweater, but it's just is not the one. So the next thing I got was this cream, sort of in between a sweatshirt and a sweater, and I got this to go with that terracotta colored skirt, and I think it's gonna actually be really adorable with the boots and the skirt. This is also by the brand Free Assembly, and it's really cozy and soft, and I think it can be dressed up or dressed down. What I liked about it was the sleeves. I just thought it was a little different from anything I have, and I got this in a size small, so it's just super cute and cozy, and there's not a whole lot to say. I mean, I clearly like this color, so yeah, I really like it. I think it'll look good with a lot of stuff, so I thought that was a great find. So the last thing that I got at Walmart are these time and true leather leggings. Now, I've been obsessed with the leather trend, and I really wanted the Spanx ones, but I've never tried any sort of like leather or pleather leggings, so I wanted to try them at Walmart first before like investing in them. And honestly, these feel pretty nice. They are a tad bit shinier than I expected. Honestly, don't know what I was expecting, but like they're kind of shiny, so I don't know, is that like, you guys will have to let me know what you think of these because I'm still like completely unsure. But I mean, all in all, they're pretty nice for the price. I just am not sold on them yet, but yeah, let me know what you guys think of these, if I can pull them off or not. I am already gonna be returning 2 things from this haul, so I mean, it's okay if one more thing has to go. I'm just like question mark on these. Well, okay everyone, so that was it for my Walmart try on haul today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up or commenting down below. It always helps me when you provide feedback to know what type of content you enjoy, and Walmart always seems to be kind of a hit, so let me know and I'll continue to do more content like this. If you missed my last video where I kind of caught you up on what's going on in my life and where I've been and all those things, I will go ahead and link that down below so you can reference it. If you're not already subscribed, I want to invite you again at this time to subscribe. If you made it this far, you might as well just do it. I hope you have a great day, an even better week, and I'll catch up with y'all later.